Lately I've been doing some traveling, and not the fun kind. So when some friends offered me the opportunity to go out to an autocross with them on Memorial Day weekend, I thought, hey, great, I don't have any plans anyway. I'm in. There were still some last minute spots available for the autocross, and well, the last minute is the minute that I get the most done, so it worked out perfectly for me. I started my day with a breakfast of champions. Sorry, no coffee press, no cappuccino machine, no flashy Rolex watch. This isn't that kind of video. Conditions were favorable as we headed out in the overcast early morning. We're going to take the Ortega Highway to the autocross this morning. Little known fact about the Ortega Highway, it's named after a salsa company. You might want to fact check that one. That might not be true. I don't know. Seems right though. Woo! 44.7. don't forget that the journey can be as much fun as the destination. I had great fun out there pushing the limits of my 66 911 on my year-old tires. My recently rebuilt carburetors and shift linkage worked great. Check out my other videos if you want to see information on how that was done. This car is a lot of fun, but not really fast by modern performance standards. I got to go for a ride in a Coyote V8 Mustang, and whoa, what a beast that was. I have a friend who has a Miata, and it's a real autocross machine. A great car and a real bargain. And of course, newer Porsches were a lot quicker than me. This is a great Memorial Day weekend outing, but I didn't forget to look up at the flag and honor those who've given their lives for American freedoms.